Emergencies can happen anywhere to anyone.
When someone suffers cardiac arrest, there's only a small window of time to save that person.
Doctors are calling on ordinary Americans to learn CPR.
Only 10% of those who go into cardiac arrest outside of hospitals make it. Less than 50% of bystanders perform CPR, according to the American Heart Association.
So just like many of us learn CPR, the medical community nationwide now wants Stop the Bleed training to be just as common.
It was not EMTs, paramedics, doctors, and nurses that saved lives. It's people like yourself that were just there watching the event that made homemade tourniquet. Unfortunately, 3 to 5 minutes is all it takes, and it could.
An armed citizen is being praised for stopping a gunman at a popular Oklahoma City restaurant.
Police are calling that armed civilian a hero and crediting him with saving lives.